Hi, hello, my name is Matt and welcome to our Unity course. Today we are going to import some files into our project so that we can use them. You can download and use whatever you want, but if you wish to use the same files as I'm using, you can go to the website with the link provided and you can download those assets straight into your project. So you can just hover over the image and press this download button. So let's go to the Unity and let's import those files. Those files like graphic files, audio files, fonts and this kind of files, we will call them assets in Unity so that we can use them. Here in the project window, there will be all our files that we can use in the project. So let's right click and choose import new asset. Now we will go to the file where we have our assets, which is assets folder in my case. I will just select all of them and click import. Now we have them all in our project. I think it would be a good idea to create a new folder so that our project is well organized. So right click, create and choose folder. I will call them sprites, because they all graphic files and we call graphic files sprites in Unity, especially in the 2D projects. So let's grab all of them by clicking on one and then holding shift and let's move them. If you accidentally put them in the wrong folder, you can always navigate, select whatever you want and you can just drag and drop it to the folder you wish. Here you can see that we've got some packages folder as well, so please don't touch it, don't go there, you don't really need to mess with those files. All that we care are files and folders that are held in the assets. So this is how you can import assets. You can choose a different method as well. You can always minimize the window, open the folder, just grab it and drag it straight to your Unity project, just drop it. And this is the second way you can do that. Definitely there is one thing I would like you to remember. So all files that we are going to import into the project, we'll call them assets, and all graphic files that we use in 2D projects, we are going to call them sprites.